Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to get unstuck in Ashes of Creation. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Press the escape button or the corresponding button on your controller, or press the gear icon right here. Then navigate to the third section, and right here between return to the game and logout is the unstuck option. Select it. As you can see, your character will perform a channeling animation and will slowly fill up the bar. After the bar is filled, you will get teleported to a place from which you can simply walk to wherever you want to go. It's a great way to quickly fast travel, a little bit I guess, but also just to get unstuck, as the name suggests. And that should be done right now. As you can see, I died, quote-unquote, and will be able to revive. So not quite a ability that's useful when you're trying to teleport, but it's useful in a pinch if you, for example, fall out of the map or something like that. And well, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.